Applying sound effects. This is great fun, and again, another easy process. So we've selected our audio in the media library, and then we go down to sound effects. Select sound effects, and then we have a selection of them in here. Of course, you could put more in your iTunes library, but let's just, for the purposes of today, select from what they give us here. At the beginning of my film, it's already got a bit of a sting, what we call a sting under it, but I'm going to add a bit of personality to it. And I'm going to choose here, preview. Again, you can preview it, a booing crowd. So I'm going to put that. Again, you place your playhead where you want the sound effect to go and put it down there. So let's see what we've got. Great, it's got a bit of atmosphere, a bit of personality to it. I'm going to add another quick sound effect to my transition here and place my player head just at the transition, just before it. I'm going to go down here. I just know that a jet flyby goes quite well with a white flash. So I'll put that down there. And now I can position it by dropping and dragging it just where I want the jet flyby. And let's listen to how that works. Okay. That's how you add sound effects.